Do you know that Germany is one of the most powerful countries in Europe with exponential growth and very low rate of unemployment? I would say it is a perfect place to move if you are looking for a job outside of your country. The country offers free education to its residents and it is considered to be the highly safe and attractive living and working environment. Germany is also looking for highly qualified employees to work in a well-paid position and encourage all young and skilled people to come and visit and look for places to work. So if you have decided to move to Germany, then the first thing obviously is to get the visa. There are many types of work permits which I have already mentioned in this video, but in this video, I'm going to specifically talk about job seekers visa. So my agenda will be to answer this question. First, what is a job seeker visa? Second, eligibility criteria to apply for job seeker visa. And lastly, I will tell you how to apply, where I will also tell you the list of documents that is required along with the complete procedure of applying right from taking appointment. All the content going to be extremely important. Please do not skip any of the point. So let's begin. So the first question, what is a job seekers visa? Job seekers visa is nothing but a kind of a residence permit which allows you to stay in the country for the 6 months and search for the job. And as soon as you get the job, you will be given a German work visa or a German work permit and you will be allowed to work and live there. Please note that a job seeker visa do not permit you to work, as it is just a residence permit without having a legal right to work. It only means that you can visit the country and look for the job during your stay. Please also note that in case you fail to get the job within the 6 months of your job seekers visa, then it cannot be extended further. So you have to grab the job within that period. These are 3 steps to get the job seekers visa. First, check your eligibility. Second, prepare all necessary documents as per the list that I will show you. And lastly, fill out the application form and book your visa appointment. Now you understand that what is a job seeker visa. Let's go step by step to understand the whole process. So step 1. Eligibility criteria to apply for job seekers visa. There are several criteria that you need to possess in order to be eligible to apply for this visa. First criteria is have an adequate qualification. You are required to have a bachelor's or master degree from a German university or other equivalent foreign degrees. You can compare the equivalence of the degrees on this website. I will also put the link in my description box below. The second criteria is experience requirement. You should have a minimum 5 years of experience to be eligible for the Germany job seekers visa. By the way, one of my friend who had a 3.5 years of experience also got the visa, but according to the rules mentioned on their official website, they says that minimum 5 years is mandatory. Third criteria is proof of financial stability. You should prove that you can cover your expenses for the duration of your stay in Germany. The fourth criteria is you need to have a travel insurance and then you have to take a medical insurance for your entire stay in Germany or until you get the work permit. You have to bear that cost, but once you get the job, then the insurance will become a component of your salary and you do not need to explicitly take care of it. If you fulfill all these criteria, then congrats, you are ready to apply. Now the step number 2, application, how to apply. First, prepare a complete list of documents. You can find the link of official website in the description below where they have mentioned the complete document checklist, but let me summarize it for you. So you need 2 filled out, printed and signed application forms, a valid passport, 3 passport photographs according to the biometric specification. Please make sure that you follow the specification. Then you need to provide a proof of accommodation. You need to find accommodation prior of your arrival and you need to have the contract ready. Then you require a proof of health insurance, proof of financial resources. You should prove that you can cover your expenses for the duration of your stay through one of the following: bank statement, Verpflichtungserklärung, which means a letter of commitment or declaration by someone proving your expenses will be covered. Or you need a blocked bank account. Then you need to have proof of personal status, if applicable marriage certificates, birth certificate of applicant, wife, children, etc. Then you also require a cover letter written and signed by the applicant explaining the exact purpose, course of action to find the job and the duration of their stay in Germany as well as further career plans. Then you required a proof of academic qualification, visa fee, payment confirmation. There are certain documents that would be a plus if you include them in your application, such as signed letters of recommendation or language certificate showing that you can speak German. Please note that the German embassy or consulate reserve the right to ask for the additional documents. Do not miss any single one. Remember that if you miss any of the document or if you fill the application form incorrectly, then your visa will be rejected. So take your time, prepare well and go with the rules. Also the important point, please follow the specification of passport size photo. So one of my close friends' application got rejected just because the incorrect photo measurement. Another important point, if you are paying the visa fees by the demand draft, then please make the DD of the exact amount which is mentioned in the website. If you prepare the checklist as I mentioned, you will get your visa without fail. So let's move ahead to the next step. Step number 3, to book your appointment. Once you prepare all the documents, Book appointment with the German embassy or consulate. You need to book appointment with the embassy within your region where you are staying from the past 6 months. You can book online through the website. I have mentioned the website in the description box as well. But it is possible that there are no appointment slots available due to this COVID pandemic. But do not worry. Soon things going to be open. You need to keep an eye on it. Try to read the press release news from the embassy. Well, if you want to know how to get appointment, then please mention in the comment box and I will share my experience. Follow me on my Instagram to connect with me. These are my Instagram handles. I hope you like my video. Subscribe to know more about the tips to achieve your mission to Germany. Meanwhile, take care, stay healthy and stay wealthy. Bye bye.